we go. Look at that! Man, it's been a while since the creek was this high. Lucy, do not go in there. Hey, by the way, I can't get the game started. It's not starting. I didn't. It shut off. Well, so much for our food plots we just made.
Lucy, come here. Come.
I mean...
Come. No.
This is crazy.
Dakota Fred's house, remember?
Yeah,
that's what I feel like it is. Except we're not in a loader. Checking out all the dams.
We gotta go check down at the other food plots too then. For those of you that don't know, this strip right through here is our yard.
Yeah, we mow that. This is our path, and then we have.
There's a creek crossing down here, but now it looks more like a waterfall crossing.
This is our creek crossing. We call it Death Valley because it's our deepest spot. And I mean, now it's literally Death Valley. And Lucy!
Hey! Oh my word.
Dude, she loves it.
Dude.
Yeah, that's so bad.
You are a bad little Missy. You are so bad. You are so bad. Oh my word. Okay, for the 2-3 minutes we've been standing here, this water has already risen another 4 inches at least. Because I was talking and it was right here on my boot. And I started walking over and it was up here on my boot, just right over there. And she's literally like an octopus. This is the last part of the food plots that are still standing. Like this is insane, absolutely insane. The last time the water was this high was, wow, actually it was probably 5 or 6 years ago. This entire bottom was completely flooded. Right here is the water hole that this is already turning into a river, and it was not like this 10 minutes ago. Okay, this better not come over my boot. Oh shoot. That's pretty freaking close. Alright, this ain't gonna work. Well, now the gator's out of gas. So I mean, it's just my luck, you know.
Mama, just look out her window.
Flash floods 2018. Look at that log. Look at that log.
Dude, I've been waiting for the day this happened.
Is that log?
Yeah. I've been waiting for this day.
I know.
The biggest one is when it came out into here, like way out there before we lived here.
But still, I mean, it's still rising. I mean,
okay, let's go across the creek.
Hey, there go all my fish. Okay, for those of you who don't know, what you're looking at right here is actually a food plot. And right there in that tree is a tree stand, and this is where I shot my deer. So this puts into perspective how much it changed, literally. I mean,
the water, like this is pretty much what, maybe 1.5 days of rain?
Here's if you go back and watch the video that says 2018 corn problems, you will see me standing right there, okay? I'm standing right there.
Dude.
Now watch this video then. He's only a foot into it, and look how deep.
This isn't even the deep part, right?
This is a freaking river.
A what?
A freaking river.
Oh. Well, we should go over there, you know, down that spot.
Dude, we need to get an inner tube.
Yes. Yo, we have two. I mean, we have the one good one that I'll use.
I mean, honestly, I want to, but I don't know how safe that is.
I want to, but I don't want to.
Because I don't know how fast that's going to throw me into a pile of bushes or a tree or something. This is insane.
I mean, yeah, we have a lot of prickers.
I mean, look, right there, that could be really dangerous. That's a rip current.
That's right along the side of the.
Yeah.
Where it's hitting is the side of it's the bank.
Oh my goodness, this is insane.
What's he doing?
Wow.
Alright, just drove around a little bit and it is so high everywhere. Now we're gonna check our cameras here. Next camera right here. Well, that was an eventful evening. Yeah, a lot of rain, lots and lots of rain, probably a couple inches. Actually, I don't really know. But yeah, I mean, this is the skies I'm looking at right now. It's starting to rain again. I mean, all that brown stuff you see way down there, that's all standing water down in the food plots that I literally just made. But anyway, an eventful evening. And so yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you in the next one. Catch you later.